So guys, in today's video, we are learning about on Python DSC, we are learning about binary tree. Implement a binary tree using Python. We are learning about that. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And please access my Python playlist and bookmark it also. So I do not take a long time. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's learn about binary tree. Now let's learn about that. Question 2. Implement a binary tree using Python and show its usage with some examples. To begin, we create simple binary tree without any of the additional properties, containing numbers as keys within nodes. Here's an example, like 3, 4 and 5. This one diagram is here. Here's a simple case class representing a node with a binary tree. There one simple class is representing a binary tree. So let's run it. First of all, I go on to my Visual Studio Code, and here is a file I have already made it by the name of ryan.py. When I save it and run it, so it gave me error. Okay, I not give the space here. When I give a space here, okay, save it and run it. So this one here, you can see this one class here, you can see it is not for running, but it is one simple class representing a node with a binary tree. Here you can see it. Let's create objects representing each node of the above tree. This one, some objects are here. Here you can see the one objects are shown you. Here you can see it. Why it is not okay? Okay, node, and here we can also give like that, save it and run it. So this one node are also come. Let's verify that node 0 is an object of type tree node has and the property key set to 3, like this. Here you can see it. We can connect the nodes by setting the left and right properties of the root node, like this, like node 0 dot left slash equal to node 1, node 0 dot right equal to node 2, and we are done. We can create a new variable tree which simply points to the root node and use it all access all the nodes within the tree, like the one diagram 3, 4, 5. And like 3 is equal to node 0, 3 dot key 3, 3 dot left dot key 4, 3 dot right dot key 5. We are going forward, we will use the term 3 to refer to the root node. The term node can refer to any node in a tree, not necessarily the root. Exercise: create the following binary tree using the tree node class definite above. Now let's come down. Like this one example, like 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now, it's a bit inconvenient to create a tree by manually connecting all the nodes. Let's write a helper function which can convert a tuple with the structures left subtree key right subtree, where left subtree and right subtree are themselves tuples, into binary tree. Here's an tuple representing the tree shown above, like this. And this one code has been written. When I wrote this code in my here, when I save it and when I run it, so this one code are here. And if I go on my command prompt, here I write like pip install tree node, and then Python will be start to downloading the tree node. Just wait a moment. Like here you can see tree node has been downloading. Building wheels for collecting tree node, successfully built tree node, and now tree node has been installed. Now let's come here again. The parse tuple creates a new root node when a tuple of size 3 has an input. Interrogationally, to create the left and right subtrees for the node, the parse tuple function invokes itself. This technique is called recursion. The chain. The chain of recursive calls ends when parse tuple encounters a number or none as input. We will use a recursion extensively throughout with this tutorial. Exercise. Add print statements inside the first tuple to display the arguments for each call of the function. Does the sequence of recursive calls make the sense to you? Let's try out that parse tuple with the defined earlier, like this. Here you can see it. We can now examine the tree to verify that is the constructed as expected, like 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 4, 7, 8, 6. Like here you can see it. Define a function. I'm giving you one exercise. Define a function tree to tuple that converts a binary tree into a tuple, representing the same tree. For example, tree to tuple converts the tree created above to the tuple 1 comma 3 comma none, 2 comma none comma 3 comma 4, 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Hint is use recursion. Like this one example here you can see it. Let's create another helper function to display all the keys in a tree like structure for easier visualization. Like this, here you can see it. Now let's come on to my Visual Studio Code, save it and run. Okay, this one example has been shown you. Now, once again, the display keys function user requires to print all the keys of the left and right subtree with the proper indentation. One exercise, add print statements inside the display keys to display the arguments for each of the function. Does the sequence of required calls make sense to you? Like this. Let's try using the function. Like the one example, we can visualize the tree that was just created, elevated, rotated by 90 degrees. It's easy to see what that it matches the expected structure like this. And your exercise says create some more trees and visualize them using display keys. You can use excellydraw.com as a digital whiteboard to create trees. Here you can see it. We are learn about binary tree in today's video. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, please like this video, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. And please access my DS Python DS playlist and bookmark it also. So I do not take a long time. So I meet you in next lesson, next video, amazing class. So for today, goodbye.